Hi, I'm Ralph. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken cranberry walnut salad. Now this is a very versatile dish. You can put it on a scoop of it onto a salad. You can make it into a sandwich. You can put it on those little Hawaiian rolls and serve them as an hors d'oeuvre. This is a very versatile staple to have in your kitchen. So with that said, let's get started. I went to Costco. I bought one of their rotisserie chickens. For $5, you can't beat it. You can't buy raw chicken, season it, take the time to bake it for anywhere near $5. It's going to cost you more than that and all the work. Save yourself some time. Go to some places like Costco, Sam's Club. Even your grocery stores will typically have these pre-done rotisserie chickens. They just cost a little bit more at your local grocery store, but it's still a heck of a bargain. I took the chicken breast off of the bone, and I got quite a bit of chicken out of that, almost 4 cups worth. So I'm going to be taking that, putting it into the bowl here. To that, I am going to be adding some mayonnaise. Now it calls for about half a cup of mayonnaise, but this looks like a lot of chicken, so I'm just going to kind of visually eyeball this, see how it goes. Maybe I'll have to add a little bit more. Hopefully I didn't add too much. I'm going to be adding, well, let me just kind of get this started, mixed in. See if I need to add more mayonnaise before I start putting anything else in. And yes, it looks like it's going to need a little bit more. I love these squeeze bottles. So much better than trying to measure it out from a jar. This is starting to look a little bit better. Like I say, this started out being a lot of chicken that I was able to get off of that. That's looking pretty decent. Now, to that, I am going to be adding in just a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, not too much. I'm going to be adding in some apples, a quarter of a green apple, and to that I added a little bit of lime juice, just so that it protects it from, turning. Get some of this mixed in before I start adding more stuff to it. The apples are going to add a nice little crunch. And with that lime juice, maybe a little bit of a citrusy flavor. The sweetness from the apples comes in handy. To that, I've got some dried cranberries, also sometimes known as craisins. Get those blended in. This is really starting to look rather colorful. Going to add the chopped walnuts. Get those all folded in. I think I'll add just a skosh more mayonnaise. See, this is something, I could tell you half a cup, but I don't know how much meat you're going to get off of that chicken, so you're going to have to kind of eyeball this just a little bit. And I want to make sure that this acts kind of as a binder to pull all those other ingredients in so that they stay inside and stick to it. Now, as a suggestion of my wife, I'm also going to add just a little bit of honey to this. Not too much. Get that good and fold it in. So you can tell this does not take very long at all. The longest part was just getting the meat off the bone, and that really didn't take but a few minutes. Chopping it up, no problem. Didn't take very long at all. But this is looking terrific the way it is. Check this out. Is that looking good or what? Yeah, I think so too. Now, you can take this. I've got a couple of different ways to serve it here. You could just take a big old scoop of it, put it in the center of a just regular bed of lettuce, greens. You can also take a couple scoops of it, maybe put it on a croissant Hawaiian, little mini roll, some sourdough bread. Lots of good options here. Oh, almost lost that. Make this salad look just a little bit better here. Check out your options here. That's looking like a pretty good sandwich or a salad. Let's see how it comes out. Let's try the tasting. And no, Gunner, I'm sorry, you're not getting any of this. This is very good. You're definitely going to enjoy this. Your family's going to love this. Trust me on this. Everybody, all your friends and everybody you know, they're going to love this. The ingredients and proportions will be down below in the directions. And if you like the video, give me a like, maybe a subscription. Definitely leave me a comment. I love my viewers to leave comments. We get some of our best ideas from the viewers. With that said, I will catch y'all the next time. Bye-bye.